Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I am Shakay. The first question I have, what are your main goals for the new year and how do you plan on achieving them? And this question is from Giovanni. Main goal for this year, I want to go back to school. So I am working on applying for college. I want to go and pursue a degree or a diploma in business. So I'm going to do that, and I hope and pray that I do get through. So please pray for me while you guys are here. Alright, so the next question, what motivates you? Alright, so what motivates me would have been my family, which would have been who. They motivate me, and I would have to say wanting to reach my fullest potential is what motivates me to continue to go on. Alright, how do I overcome challenges? And these three questions are all from Giovanni. Alright, so how do you overcome challenges? Well, to be honest, I cry. I cry a lot. I love to cry, so I cry. Me ball, basically. And I pray. So I cry, I pray, and then I go forward. I never give up. So I'm trying my best never to give up. So I may pause for a while and cry and be all stressed out, but at the end of the day I always get up and try again. So that is how I overcome my challenges. Alright, so from Tovia, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? In the next 2 or 3 years, I'd like to see myself graduating from college and getting into the business world. I really want to work in the business world, whether it be in an hotel. I've always wanted to work in a hotel. I think the business is quite interesting. Or I would like to own my own fashion design business. So probably in the next 5 years, I want to own my fashion design business or my own store with makeup and clothes, and y'all get the picture. Alright, so my next question is from Nashara. And her question is quite easy. Do you love me? Of course I love you, Nash. Like, really? My next question is from Kaje, and it says, why did you go in the field of teaching? Alright, so teaching, when I was very young, I wanted to become a teacher, and I would get excited when it comes on to teaching. I wanted to be that person that motivates others to learn what I loved, which was math. And is, who is your favorite celebrity and why? And this is from my sister, Shanique. So my favorite celebrity would have been one of my favorite female YouTubers, which is Remy Ashton, and her YouTube name is Rem Life. I watch her vlogs very often. I started watching her and I realized how motivated she was. She motivated me in all different ways. She went through bullying, and I thought it's really good for her to overcome all of that stuff and just be the person that she is. What is your deepest fear in life and why? And that's also from my sister Shanique. So my deepest fear in life is dying without achieving my purpose. Since summer, I have been in this, it's like I came to the realization that I don't think I don't know exactly what my purpose is. I have been trying to find it, and I know I'm not alone on this. There are persons out there who you're in a field and you don't feel like you are you don't feel as if you're carrying out your purpose. Now this is me right now. I sometimes don't feel like I'm carrying out my purpose, and so I get very anxious because I have anxiety, and I get very anxious even thinking about the fact that one day I'm gonna die and I don't even know when, and I really don't want to die without actually pleasing the Lord and carrying out my purpose. So that is my biggest fear, dying without carrying out my purpose and dying without God in my life. So yeah. All right. So my next question is, why did you start YouTube? And this is from Alexia. I started YouTube because I wanted to share my life. I wanted a way to express myself. For those who know me in real life, you know that I am not as open with my life. I'm somewhat shy. So sitting down in front of a camera, I'm sitting and basically talking to myself and then posting it on YouTube. So it's not that hard to talk to a camera. So I find it more comfortable to sit down and talk to a camera or carry on a camera and vlog than to probably sit and talk to a bunch of people. So I use this to help me to get out of my shyness, help me to branch out and, you know, just use my creative skills that God has created me with and just make people happy. I love that. All right, so who are your favorite YouTubers? So my favorite YouTubers are, I have, as I said before, Remy, so Remline, Brian, who is Phase Rug on YouTube. I have Alex Wasabi, who is Wasabi on YouTube. Yeah, so I love these YouTubers. They are very motivational. They are very fun to watch. Anytime I feel sad, anytime I feel like I'm having a bad day, once I turn on these guys' videos, I'm always happier, if you get what I'm saying. How do you keep organized, keeping your school, church, and your home life separate and at a balance? So my life would be, I would say it's a bit balanced. So I try to not procrastinate too much. So like for work, I teach, so basically I have a lot of work at school to do. But I make sure that whenever I'm at school, I don't waste time. So if I get a time and I can sit down and do some work, I do that. My home and church life, they sometimes collide because, you know, I live so close to church, so anything's going on at church, I may want to go, and I love going at church. Actually, I find peace when I go at church, so it's a little better for me. So yeah, I like going to church, so it's not overwhelming. How do you properly cleanse the skin after wearing makeup? And this is from Nerine. To remove makeup properly from your face, you need wipes, as in not baby wipes, but makeup wipes. So you get your makeup wipes and you gently take the makeup off your face by rubbing it off. And you should pay more attention to your eyes. So when you put on your eyeshadows and stuff like that, you need to pay attention to getting it off. It's on the eyeliners and all of that. And don't forget your eyebrows, because you always put on pencil and stuff on your eyebrows, so don't forget that. And also lipsticks, because you have some long-lasting lipsticks that will take some time to get off, so you need to get those off by, you know, rubbing those off. And after you have used your wipes, you get your face wash. So you get your face wash and you actually wash your face after. So I use baby oil sometimes to remove my eye makeup and my lipstick sometimes first before I use my wipes, because the oil it breaks down the eyeshadow and the eyeliner and gets it off easier, so that when you use your wipes, it doesn't take as much wipes and as much time. Alright, so my last question is, it's more like a request, and this is, what is your favorite song? And this was from Drew, and he asked me to sing chorus of it. My favorite song right now is Better from Jessica Reedy, and this is a gospel song, and the chorus goes like this. Life, it can leave you so bitter, 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 bitter. but you must believe that it gets better, better, better. And dry your eyes, send the pearls to the sky. I know it's hard to find, but you must believe that it gets better. Alright guys, I thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video, and if you guys have not yet picked up on the pattern I am using to upload, it is every other day. So after this video is uploaded, just skip a day and come back and look for my video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!